So here's what the busy streets of Luang Prabang looks like at 7:30 in the morning. I'm gonna take a walk through the market and then continue on to our next destination. Lots of tuk-tuks and vans bringing tourists in, taking tourists out. That'll be a slow walk through this market. Get all your vegetables here, fruits, fish, chicken, rats. Yes, I did say rats. That was actually the first one that I saw. Excuse me?
Anh Trần bác hôm nay bơ nhắn
吃手不要拐弯是吧？
哦。
ลองมาเบิ่งดู
I was here earlier last time, and it was quite a bit more busy.
Mà bạn na là mà đi nữa xưa không gì. Dạ. ผู้บ่าวว่าที่แต่งตัววันนี้นั่นเนาะ
เอกสารอะไรจัดดีเจจัดมากเลย
Lots of vendors. Lots of interesting street food. Some of the food I know, a whole lot of it I don't know.
Như vậy mẹ châu. Để lông đi lông đắng lắm. Nói mìnhเอารถหุ้นน่ะเราให้เด็กมาแล้วก็บุกจี้มาหาดุ่มกับบุกเขา
Food-wise, pretty much everything you would need. Especially if you are a local here. Down there's Mekong River. See the many shops. Always a large number of tuk-tuks. Unfortunately, I'm checking out of my hotel today, and I'll definitely come back. But it'll be a different time of year, and it's just not so hot. Supposed to be 104 degrees today, which for me is, I guess anybody, very miserable. This is low season, so I think if you come in the cooler months, it should be a lot busier. So over there is the night food market. Down the street there is the night market. The night market's pretty busy. Came down there a few times, and you can get about everything. But unfortunately, like most of these markets, a lot of the vendors are selling exactly the same thing. But that's okay. I always enjoy going to these markets. I'm going to end things here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Check out the links below. And I will see you in the next video.